6 Tips to Sell Your Construction Equipment Part 2. Number 4, consider auctions. Auctions offer a viable alternative to traditional direct sales. Normally, however, they are most effective for selling used construction equipment, as it allows prospective buyers to get a good deal on equipment that's already showing signs of aging and wear. If you're worried about a buyer scooping up your used equipment at an unfair price, you can set a reserve price for the auction. This way, the equipment will only sell when a buyer bids at least the amount specified in the reserve price. Number 5, browse the competition. What are your competitors doing? One of the great things about the internet is that it creates a sense of transparency, allowing you to see exactly what your competitors are doing. Using the internet, you can see other competing companies' ads, product lineup, offers, prices and more. You shouldn't replicate a competitor's process, but instead try to one-up their process by going above and beyond with your own business strategy. Number 6, show your personal side. In other words, don't talk strictly in terms of business. You can ask prospect how their day is going to express your personal side. This otherwise simple touch can make a world of difference in your sales efforts.